Hold your breath, because in this video you will not believe your eyes. Creative Fabrica is the new monster in the AI game. Today in Creative Fabrica, you could generate a full search engine optimized article of over 1,000 words about any topic, about any niche, just in a few seconds with a click of a button. It's awesome, isn't it? And for sure, a few months ago, Creative Fabrica released the Spark tool that enables you to generate images and designs by artificial intelligence. And recently, a bunch of stunning AI tools have been added. And hold on, if you don't know what Creative Fabrica is the biggest marketplace in the internet that contains enormous amounts of premium assets for everyone who is working in print on demand, graphic design, and low content, KDP, Amazon, and so on. And recently, this circle has broadened and also includes authors, copywriters, social media marketers, and so on. Thus, in this video, let me show you what's going on Creative Fabrica and what's new in this amazing website. So let's get started. And then in this Creative Fabrica, you could find a lot of amazing AI tools that will blow your mind. As you see, Spark Art, here you can generate art and your images and designs by AI. And here you can find a lot of amazing recent tools like this one, Creative Fabrica Spark Writer. Here you can generate a full article, copies, Facebook ads, and so on. Here, Creative Fabrica Spark Patterns. Here you can generate your pattern unbelievably about any topic, about any niche. And Prompt Builder. Here you can generate your prompt that you can use later on Spark tool and any other AI generator like Midjourney and so on. And this amazing one, Creative Fabrica Spark Image Mix. Here you can create new and unique versions of an existing image just in a few seconds. And of course, I would like to talk about all these tools shortly in this video. And now to begin with this amazing one, Creative Fabrica Spark Writer. So you can click over this one, create texts. And here you could find a lot of categories like article, Facebook ads and ad copies, article sections like introduction, conclusion, and the cold email reach, and article outline, headings and subheadings, as you see, for blog, for website, for ad copies, for email, for making book sections and so on, essay, copywriting, and startup templates, as you see. Like for personal, you can find greeting cards, excuse writing. For your blog section, you can find full article generator, article idea and title, article sections, headline, unblocker, conclusion, outline, paragraph, listicle, writer, and so on. Awesome tools. And for website like SEO, meta description, landing page, hero, text, and for ad copies, Facebook and general ad copy, and for email. And as for book, like book outline, book chapter opening, chapter introduction, idea, paragraph, conclusion. And for essay writing, like title, ideas, introduction, and so on and so forth. And as for generating a full article, search engine optimized article about any topic, about any niche, so we can go back to this amazing one section, full article generator. Try now. As you see, and first of all, you have to include your keywords that you include in your article to rank for in Google search results. And for example, if I want to write an article about weight loss, so we can include some keywords like weight loss and fitness, for example, and lose pounds, okay, and to be fit, and so on and so forth. And here you can insert your article page title, or you can use artificial intelligence according to your keywords that you have added. So we can use AI, for example. As you see, 10 ways to drop 10 pounds. Use AI again. It's an amazing one. 5 tips of losing weight and getting fit. Perfect. You can insert your outline, headings and subheadings, and the skeleton and the structure of your article, or you can use AI to generate an outline of your article, as you see. Perfect. Or you can regenerate a new one. Perfect, as you see. When you are done, select your language, English, French, Spanish, and so on. And here you can create your article. And just a few seconds, here you can find a full search engine article about this amazing topic. 5 tips for losing weight and getting fit. As you see, your full article is ready. Introduction and your headings and your subheadings and so on, as you see. So if you want to know how many words here in this article, highlight your entire article. Perfect. And we can use word counter plus. As you see, over 1500 words. So here you can generate a full search engine optimized article in Creative Fabrica just in few seconds about your topic, about your field. And here you can find a lot of other templates regarding the most leading print-on-demand platform like Etsy store name, Etsy store bio, product listing, title, and so on and so forth. And you can find a lot of popular tools like Article Writer, Facebook ads, and you can find a lot of other tools like introduction, starter tool, rewrite tool, for example. If we want to try this one, rewriter tool, so we can this one copy this paragraph, copy, and go to the rewriter tool, and here we can insert your content. Perfect. Create content. It's an amazing rephraser tool you can use in this amazing website, Creative Fabrica. And if we go back and to try the other tools in Creative Fabrica Spark, and we have tried this one Spark Writer, and now let's try this one Spark Patterns to generate a powerful and unique pattern of anything you want. So create patterns, and then insert your prompt. For example, we can insert something like I would like to make a pattern of some dogs. So we can insert here pattern of dogs. Quickly, amazing patterns of dogs, as you see. So you can go back and try this one, Creative Fabrica Spark Image Mix, to create new and unique versions of your existing design. So create mix or a spinner of your design and your image. Here you have two options: enter your image URL, or you can upload your image directly from your device, like this one, a smiling face of a husky dog. Click over this button. As you see, new versions of your original design, as you see, smiling faces of your dog. And now you know the full power of Creative Fabrica to your online business. And I will drop the link of 1 month free trial deal to test its content. Then you have two options: either you can renew at $9 a month, or you can upgrade to the annual all access deal just for $60. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.